That's right. Today's math is about animals at Mrs. Schreck's. We're going to do some tallies and some addition. Okay, we're going to start with the dogs. There's one Labradoodle. That's Cinnamon. So we're going to put 1. And there's another one. That's little Dee Dee. So that's 2. And there's Max. That makes 3 tallies. There's Little Bit. She's got some babies on the way, but we can't count them yet. That makes 4. And there's Betsy. She's getting into something else. So that makes 5. See how I did that line across there for 5? Now I'm going to go back here and I'm going to put dogs. That's how many dogs we have. This next one might be a little tricky. This is going to be chicks. Little baby chicks. Because they move fast. All right, maybe I'll count. All right, there's 1. Yep, I don't think I can count them and tally. So we'll just count. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's the one baby left from the first batch of chicks. All right, so now I'm going to go to my tally and tally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more makes 11. I had to come back in so we can look at the